What's with the zombie walk?
I don't know. Should we start?
Oh, if you want.
Okay, I was gonna do today, I can do it like greetings, because we have it looks like a spaceship. Greetings, like aliens, because it looks like a spaceship. I thought about this. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for joining us. We asked a question last time, does size matter? So we're gonna show you that today, size does matter sometimes, kind of. I hate saying that, sounds really, I don't like that sentence. Don't look at me like that. Yes, so Peter is going to show you why he likes this Para, even though most people wouldn't be able to get one in their studio because it is absolutely massive, but he's going to run you through that. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it. Aren't you going to show them your brand new nails?
I know everyone always tells me off for my nails.
Oh, all right.
I'm wiping my nose too much. People don't like it when I do that as well.
I have never seen that.
I'm allergic to my cats. It's really awkward. Anyway, so I'll throw you to Peter.
I'm allergic to my assistant. That's even more awkward.
That was a really horrible intro. I don't like that one. It was like my worst. What's going on? You're crooked.
You're crookeding me.
How do I change it? Where's the thingy?
Up higher, down lower.
There.
Thank you. The whole thing of size does matter, and that's why I kept this, is because the bigger the parabolic, the more I can do with it. The smaller the parabolic, the less I can do with it. And I look at a parabolic as a little bit like a magnifying glass. So in the old days when you were a kid and you had a magnifying glass and you used to burn ants, or Beck used to.
No, I didn't.
I used to pull wings off flies, that's
No,
right.
I
Yes, you did. You had a collection of flyless wings or wingless flies.
All the bugs.
Anyway, you could burn an ant on the ground with a magnifying glass, but you could put your finger halfway through and not get burnt. I can sort of do that sort of thing with this. It's a focusable, powered light. And one of the best ways for me to show you, we've got the modelling lights turned on at the moment. If Beck lines herself up in the middle, you should see, is there a ring light out about here?
Yes. Oh, we'll check if my voice is, my voice is echoing, so I'm in the middle. Okay.
Yeah, it's surreal. If you're in the dead center of this and talk, you get this really weird echo. So you can see the circle round about there?
Yeah.
Which means where you can see the dots, so there's a ring of dots there and there'll be another sort of ring in there. That's what's actually lighting. And in between that area is not lighting. So at the moment, where Beck's standing, she's been lit by this massive big ring light. And what I can do is as I wind this light in, you'll see those dots moving in, which is now intensifying it to the point. So each of these has an angle that it's working to. So I can fine tune where I want the power of this light to go and wind it the whole way in. Now, with this light, you can have it with a ring flash, which I like a lot, or you can still mount just a normal head, and all you do is you'll lose one of these panels, which makes no difference to your picture. So what I might do is I'll get Anna in. So what we're doing, we're going for a sort of a high key cover type shot. We actually based it off the latest cover with Kate Moss, Vogue, I think it was Germany or something, Paris, Hong Kong. Kate Moss, Vogue, Hong Kong cover. So I based it a little bit off the feel of that. So I'll get Anna to come in.
I forgot to introduce our awesome superstar.
All right, so I'm just going to line myself up. I want the model, the camera, and light all in a line, just because that's how I want to work for this shot. Once I've got this shot set up, then I can show you what else I can do with this. I'm shooting with a 100mm, which is like a 80mm on a DSLR. I'm an f9 160th of a second at 100 ISO. We will take a test shot on dead flat on everything. I've already got this roughly pre-cropped to how I want this picture. I'm just going to get a focus. I've got my highlight alerts turned on. If I come in, you'll see, I might zoom in another one. You will see, there it is. There's the light, it's a ring. You can see me sitting in there. I'm blocking maybe 1 and a bit panels, which is having no effect to the light at all. But you can see that's what the light is lighting. So with that, I'm now underexposed. Now, I'm not going to touch the power of the pack. I'm going to get my exposure based on my highlight alert. I do want a high key type shot. All right, so I'm just going to work my highlight alerts until I can blow her over, but I'm not going to touch the power of the pack. And this is one of the great things with this light. What I'm going to do is slowly focus the power of the light in on Anna. So I'm just going to go 1, 2 turns in, take a shot. That still hasn't gone over, but you'll see there's already a difference to how that light is on Anna. See how it's giving more a 3D shaping? So I'll do another 2 in. You'll see now we're starting to overexpose the wall. So again, I'm not turning the light up, I'm just working the parabolic of this light. I'm just going to go in 1 turns at the moment. So it's 1 turn. And I just want to take it till she's just going off on the tip of her nose. And we're not quite. I want to see, I reckon that's the exposure, but I want to show you what's going to happen if I'll go like half a turn. Well, it still didn't go off. Oh, it's just going off on her cheek. Now, when I say going off on the cheek, it's still saying 244, 228, 220. So we're way short of 255 in 3 channels. So we've got detail everywhere. Everything's dead flat. My sharpening is turned off. I hate sharpening. And just so I'll quickly go over sharpening again. All right, so this is an unsharpened image. Turn the sharpening on, bang. That is now not looking real. Sorry, I'd never seen, I put my hand next to a screen and that's feeling sharper than my hand. No, don't want that rubbish. I'll leave that for camera clubs. Right, so now I've got my exposure how I want it. I'm going to set up this shot to my shot, which is I'm basically going to do black and white because that's the look I want. So I'm going to just check through, we're on my green channel, which I quite like. What's the default? Now, I really, really like the Hasselblad contrast. It's really smooth, it's not jumpy. So I'm going to snap a couple of shots and see if we can get supermodel be supermodel. I don't need the modeling light on anymore. And, right, I want the essence of the other picture. Right, it's all about eyes. Oh good, she's coming on toes. It's amazing. Cool. Awesome. Now, it's all... Man, bum against the wall. Keep it drifting. Think video, video, video. These are looking very much like the Kate feel. That is feeling very much like the Kate Moss type picture. I really should show everybody the picture, shouldn't I?
Yeah, I was going to say that before.
So that's the Kate Moss picture. Yeah, so she's a little bit lighter in the skin. Let's maybe work that look. I think it's because Anna made me go blue channel. We lost the lightness in the skin. Let's see what happens if we go green channel. We get the lightness in the skin. Some of that's going to be retouching, but we can also work that by just working, because we've got that contrast, let's pull it down again. I might just see what happens if I start bringing my mids down a bit. Let's turn overexposure warning on to make sure I'm not destroying my picture. Maybe bring it to about there. That black point is getting black. Let's turn. I like to turn this off when I'm looking at it again now. That's actually giving me quite a nice feel. So it's very close without the retouching. And I'm liking that. Does the boss like that? Yeah. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Can you do better than that?
Of course.
Right. On your bike. Right, so it's, you remember the Kate Moss picture?
Yeah.
The feel. What was she thinking? How was she feeling? That's all it is. That's all I want you to work on. Cool. And drift like video. Just continue. Remember, this is a video. If you want really good video, you need to keep drifting. Cool, beautiful. Keep it. Beautiful. Now you can reset your eyes. You don't have to stare the whole time. You can come and then come back in. You follow? Because if you just stare the whole time, your eyes are going to become dead. I need that continual, like a video, just movement, and let me try and grab when I like it. Pretty strong. Cool, nice. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. That's really pretty. That's pretty. Pretty. Now, a lot of people, especially the people that don't really look at fashion magazines and aren't into that, you'll notice I'm cutting the top of her head off. That is a fashion thing. See? Vogue cover. It's very, very common to take heads off. To me, I rather do it in camera because I'm not scared to shoot my finished picture. Because what I see is how I want my finished picture. It's very much like what I say, painters don't tend to paint a large canvas, then crop out their final picture. They tend to paint their picture within their canvas. That's really pretty. That's really pretty eyes. Cool, got a beautiful smile in. And with Anna, if the best, there we go, if you don't want her to smile, just say, in fact, just don't take a picture. She can't help it. And you'll get the most beautiful smile in the world. So this is a little seed I planted, and Anna hates me for this, don't you?
Look at this, it's hilarious.
All right, see, watch this. If I want a smiling picture of Anna, watch this. See, she can't help it. I told her once, don't smile. And I said, whenever I don't take a shot, it means don't smile. So every time I don't take a shot, she keeps thinking, don't smile. And it doesn't matter how long she tries to fight it, I will always win. Anyway, let's get back to serious. Cool. Fashion, strong, but keep a pretty face. Cool, nice, nice. One of the things Kate Moss has done, and I noticed that even in that picture, she has the ability to make herself look younger with her thoughts.
Oh, wow.
There's an awesome video. I'll get back to link it in the links below. It's an awesome video. You'll see Kate Moss, I think she's about 45, 46 with Peter Lindbergh. And you see her and all of a sudden she just went young in her face, and you know she thought something that made her whole face go younger. So let's see, you just think young, really young. Think back when you were back in school. Cool, 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 younger. Cool, that's really pretty, pretty, pretty. That's really pretty. Nice, there, I like that. No, yeah. Nice, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's really pretty. Let's have a look and see, oh, these are looking nice. Do you like? Mm-hmm. Now, one thing I didn't show you was what's in her eyes once I wound that light in. You'll see that we now have a big, big bank of light with the little dots around it. And again, with this shot and the whole thing about sharpening, do you think the model wants you to sharpen the pores of her skin like that? In fact, Beck and I saw a photo the other day, and Beck just said, oh, the model would die. And they had about this much sharpening on the skin.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, how would you feel as a model if you had that much sharpening all over your skin? It's disgusting. I predominantly shoot beauty and women and fashion and things like that. We don't want to bring every single pore and sharpen it. I'll get off my high horse. You like?
I do.
You do? Yeah. So now I'm just going to show you a couple other things I can do with this. So what I can do is I can use this light, but I can come off center. I don't have to shoot with it. So I can now freestyle this a little bit and get different looks out of Anna. Cool. Beautiful. And you'll see how we've got now shade onto her face. We've got this beautiful shadow falling off on that wall now. I'm just going to come and do another shot. Cool, cool. Cool, beautiful. Cool, stunning. Cool there, stunning. Stunning, eyes, eyes. So you see we've got this gorgeous light in here. I've just dropped this in just so I've got something in the background. So just in here again. That's really pretty. Cool. But this is not your preferred side of the face, is it?
No, I like.
You like? But you can see this beautiful picture it's given us here. Now, spin. That, like that, cool. That's really pretty. Cool, stunning, stunning. Drop your chin down, in there. Cool, beautiful, that's really pretty. I should check really when I'm shooting. That's giving me this gorgeous look with just the bounce off the wall. One thing I can also do is, if you completely face the wall, that's stunning, stunning. That's really pretty there. What we can do, we can light her face off the wall. So this light's coming through, hitting the wall and lighting her, which is giving us this beautiful look. Anyway, this is gone a little bit longer than I planned, and the look on Beck's face is that she really doesn't like this gimbal.
I've got it back to front now because it won't, like I hate it.
I hate it.
I never want to use it again.
I never want to use it again.
I mean, I don't like it.
I don't like it.
It's put me in a really bad mood.
It's put you in a bad mood.
It has. I don't like it. And
Everyone's going to think that Beck's the world's worst gimbler.
They are. Everyone's going to comment and be like, oh, the gimbling made me seasick.
That's
Everyone's
all right.
going to have
You mean
a go
like this?
That's you being an idiot. That's not.
So you're used to that.
I know, but I don't like it. And anyways, this isn't Beck's rant about how much she hates that gimbal. This is me saying, hey, hope you enjoyed that. Wipe that right off. We hope you enjoyed this, and if you did enjoy this, we have Inspire, which we will leave a link to below. So that is, if anyone is struggling, wants to like learn more about lighting, or if you're looking at how to turn from being a hobby photographer into a commercial photographer, we've got videos of working with clients, stylists, models, lighting. There's over 300 videos, but Peter made the transition himself from like into commercial, so he just thinks that he should share all of his secrets with you.
Secrets. My secrets.
So that'll be down below. Anna's stuff will be down below as well. She's also got her own YouTube channel, although I think most of it's in Russian, but if you can speak Russian, that's awesome. And
the two previous videos,
and
the one of
videos.
Anna and the one of Zeiss doesn't matter.
Yes.
We'll just put those links up now.
No, they're down there.
No, you can put them up so they can appear up in the video.
Oh,
You're going to work out how to do this before we put it up.
Oh, I think I know how to do that anyways, actually. Yeah.
Cool.
So they'll be up here.
Oh my God.
I'm going to start having fun with this. And I think that's all. Happy Friday, guys. It's probably not Friday when you are watching this now. Oh my God, I don't want to look at this gimbal any longer. I can't with it. I just can't.